Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you have no picture, but you do have sound on your Samsung TV. Now the first thing you want to do is go over to your power outlet and then unplug your TV from the wall for at least 1 minute and then plug it back in. Now if you have it plugged into like a power strip or something like that, try plugging it directly into the wall outlet. Also on the back of the TV, go to the power cord where it connects and just unplug this and plug this back in. Make sure there's a good connection right here and it's not loose. Now go to your connected devices. If you have an antenna or cable, go ahead and simply unplug your coaxial cable here. Maybe this is loose or maybe there's a bad connection. You could try replacing the cable, but I'm just gonna unscrew it and then place it back in so it looks good. This one should be new. And make sure this is screwed in tight and it's not loose and it's not wiggling around. Then you can go to your connected devices. So I have this Amazon Fire Stick. If you have an extender like this, try plugging it directly into an HDMI slot. These HDMI slots are labeled, so this one's HDMI 3, 2, and 1. Try a different HDMI slot and then remember which one you plug into. So I'm gonna remove the extender and then plug it into number 2. Now if you are using your USB slot to power your device, be aware this may not be drawing enough power, so you may need an adapter like this. Plug it directly into a power strip or a power outlet, otherwise it may not turn on or it might keep restarting on you. And another thing you can try in terms of unplugging your cable from the wall outlet, you could try unplugging it overnight when you fall asleep. Just simply plug it back in the morning. Now get close to the TV. Maybe your backlighting or your brightness is very low and it doesn't seem like there's a signal, but there is. So you can press the menu button and then you can go to picture right here and just increase the backlighting. Now if you can get into the menus and the settings, go on down to support and then go to where it says self-diagnosis, and then you can reset the TV right here. This will reset all the settings except the network settings. Then you can also go to software update. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.